First, let's import the CSS function, the global component, and the theme provider component from the Emotion React package. The CSS function allows us to create styles that can be attached to elements via the prop. The global component is used here to set global styles. Notice how we define the styles for the body element, resetting the default margin and padding and setting a default font family. These styles will be applied across all pages in our Next.js application. Here we're defining a helper function named dynamic style. This function takes an object with color and font size properties and uses the CSS function from Emotion to generate a corresponding style object. This showcases the power of CSS-in-JS, where styles can be made dynamic and based on props, allowing for more tailored and reusable styling options. Here we import the theme provider component, which is a context provider for theming. We define a theme object, which could include color schemes, font scales, or any other theme-related values. The MyApp component is a special Next.js component that initializes pages. By wrapping the entire application inside a theme provider, we ensure that the theme context is available in all components of our app. We also include the global styles right inside the theme provider, indicating that they should be applied to every page. Finally, let's take a look at how we might use our dynamic style helper function in a component. In this button component, we destructure the children, color, and font size props. We then apply the dynamic style to the button by using the CSS prop from Emotion. This allows the button to adapt to different color and font size values passed as props, reflecting the power of CSS in JS in creating truly dynamic and reusable components.